Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can deactivate or remove public links for your chats and conversations on Google AI mode. For example, if you'd like to deactivate them so that no one can access your chats or conversations you have shared through these links on Google AI mode. So let us dive into this, guys. In the first step, you will need to access Google AI mode. You can do that by heading over to google.com or to your Google account, for example on Chrome browser or any other browser. Click into these 9 dots in the top right and select Google search. That is going to redirect you to google.com as well. So from here you may enter your search term here if you like, and to access the AI mode, click into this button. That is going to redirect you to that conversation here on Google AI mode. And if you entered, for example, a specific search term, this will be converted into a conversation or chat like this, for example. So what you want to do, guys, is, let's say for instance you have converted that conversation into a public link. You can do that by clicking into these 3 dots here next to the given chat or conversation, and by clicking into share here. And as you can see here, you can copy that link, and if you have shared it, I don't know, in a WhatsApp group or with your friends and contacts, you can deactivate this link, basically all public links, by clicking into these 3 dots next to the search bar and by navigating to manage public links. Here you will see all links that have been created. As you can see, I have created these 4 links. So let me remove these by clicking into that trash icon, select delete here. Do the same for the next one. And you can also deactivate these by clicking into delete all links here at the top if you have, I don't know, a long list of these. There you go. As you can see, I don't have any shared links yet, or any more in this case here. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.